my friends. Happy Thursday. Only 2 more days to go. We can do it. All right? We're going to go over our L blends today. Okay? B and O together say bowl. K and O together say coal. F and O together say full. G, O says goal. P, O smushed together says pull. And S, O together says soul. All right, so just remember those L blends. We'll keep practicing those all week. Okay? All right, I'm going to say 2 words. I want you to listen. Okay, watch my lips. They'll help give you the answer. And we're listening for rhyming words, words that have that same middle and ending sound. Okay? So, slim plate. Slim plate. No, those totally don't rhyme. Clam slam. Clam slam. Right? And you could totally see in my lips there, both of those have the and sound. Great job, boys and girls. Clump, slump. Clump, slump. Yes, they both have that sound. Slip, slob. Slip, slob. One has that ip sound and the other one has the off sound. Those are not the same. Flag, slug. Flag, slug. Super close, but did you guys see my lips when I said flag? And I had that wide open mouth, and then I said slug. Okay? See how my lips were different? So that tells you that those aren't the same sounds. Okay? Plant, plot. Plant, plot. Sled, bled. Sled, bled. Yes, not my favorite choice of words, but that'll work. Flash, clash. Flash, clash. Yeah, they both had that ash sound in them. Next thing we're going to do is you're going to tell me that beginning sound, the sound that you say when you touch your head. Okay? Miss Thackeray's going to use her arm. All right? So here we go. We're listening for that beginning blend. Okay? The word is bless. Okay? Bull, s. Beginning blend, bull. Good job. The word is clamp, coal, amp. Beginning blend, coal. Yes. The word is glossy. Goal. E. That beginning blend was goal. Good. The word is plug. Pull. G. Beginning blend, pull. Okay? And last, the word is slam. Soul. Am. Beginning blend was that soul. You guys did great. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to be talking about compound words. And compound words are when you take 2 words, you put them together, and they make their own word. Okay, so our first one, I'm going to put out together with side. Okay, if I blend those 2 words together, it's outside. Okay, let's try another one. Hair, cut, haircut. Card, board, cardboard. Dog, house, doghouse. Play, ground, playground. Lip, stick, lipstick. Moon, light, moonlight. Snow, man, snowman. Foot, prints, footprints. You guys did great. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to talk about that final sound, the sound that you say when you touch your, hopefully not too stinky, feet. Okay? So, my word is class. Pull. S. Final sound. S. Good. The word is pack. P. K. Final sound. K. Great. The word is crumb. Cr. Final sound. Good. Give. G. Final sound. Nice. The word is cup. K. Final sound. Yes. Last, the word is mop. P. Final sound. P. Great job, boys and girls. All right, now what we're going to do, is we are going to break apart a compound word into its 2 separate words. Okay? So the word is backbone. Backbone. Good. Doorbell. Door. Bell. Sandbox, sand, box. Bathrobe, bath, robe. Driveway, drive, way. Downtown, down, town. Teapot, tea, pot. Lifesaver, life, saver. Good job. Speaking of lifesavers, you need to put those on the grocery list. You guys love those for a little sweet treat. All right, now we're going to be word magicians. Abracadabra, alakazam, word magicians, here I am. And we're going to change the beginning consonant in our word to a consonant blend. Okay? So we've got mess, s. Change that to a bull. Bless. Good. My word is rock, ok. Change that to a coal. Clock. My word is did, id. Change that to a slool. Slid. My word is bus, us. Change that to a pole. Plus. You got it. And last but not least, we're going to take that beginning sound. I don't really like it very much, so we're going to throw it out the window, throw it out the window. All right, my word is bleach, bull, each. Throw away that bowl, what's left? Each. Good job. My word is plant, pull, ant. Throw away that pull, what's left? Ant. Good. My word is sly, soul, eye. Throw away that soul, what's left? Eye, just like our sight word. The word is cluck, cool, uck. Throw away that cool, what's left? Uck. You guys did excellent. So today, you're going to be talking about Abraham Lincoln. I put a couple videos up there, and then tomorrow there's a link to a BrainPop video about him, but he is also on some money. So be on the lookout for Abraham Lincoln and see if you can spot him on some of your parents' change. Maybe if you have a piggy bank, you'll find him in there. All right? Take care. Happy Thursday. Love you guys. Can't wait to see you in person soon.